Hey guys, I'm Timothy Sweet from Sanremo Coffee Machines. I'm the Victorian sales manager, been a barista about 18 years. Today we're standing in front of the Cafe Racer, and today we're going to be talking about brewing temperatures, in specific the F18 multi-boiler and the Cafe Racer multi-boiler. So these are two machines that give you the option of brewing coffee or espresso at different temperatures. Some of the technology that you'll see out there, not only on Sanremo machines, but on a lot of machines out there at the moment, is the option of being able to brew your coffee at different temperatures. So any of you that already know how to use that technology to your advantage, don't worry, this video is probably not for you, but I hope you enjoy it anyway. And for everybody else, I hope you get something out of it. So a lot of cafes that are out there now at the moment are struggling with the decision of what kind of coffee should I serve? Should I serve what I think people will like? Or should I serve what I really like? You don't ultimately have to make that decision anymore. You can actually serve both options. You can cater to a much larger market share instead of just having to pick one. You'll see some people with 2 or 3 grinders set up for brewing espresso coffee, and we want to know how to get the best out of those coffees. If it's a darker roast or a lighter roast, if it's a natural or a washed, to make those coffees to the best of our ability. One of the key features that helps us do that is being able to adjust the temperature to suit the coffee. The advantage of having multiple brewing temperatures is being able to serve options, and that's when you'll see cafes that have multiple grinders set up rather than lattes or flat whites. They'll be able to serve you a latte or flat white in a different flavor or a different roast style or different coffee style than some of the other options that are at the same exact cafe. Here we have the Cafe Racer. We've got an option for brewing an espresso that might be a little bit on the lighter, fruitier side. And we've got a group head which is set up for a slightly darker roast. Something that's a bit more traditional, something that's a little bit more approachable for the average Joe. On this first group head, I've actually set the temperature to be a little bit higher. I've got a button over here that has an 8-second pre-infusion and a longer yield, and that's going to help me brew a lighter roast a little bit better for espresso drinkers. And then over here I've got a shorter ratio without pre-infusion, which is going to help that coffee perform in milk. And then over here on group head number 2, I've done the same thing where this button has got a 5-second pre-infusion for a really nice black drinking coffee. And then button number 2, I've actually set up without pre-infusion to have a really nice strong flavor in milk. So if a customer has come to my cafe and they've got a table of 5 and 3 people like really traditional style coffee, I can meet their expectations, and then 2 of those people like a fruitier style coffee, I can really impress them with an option that I've also got on group head number 1. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comment section and we'll be sure to reply to you as soon as possible.